Hey YouTube family and friends, update of me getting inside my gate. Stand by, this is going to be very interesting. I don't know if they know how to get in either. Oh man, do they? I'm not a killer, I'm not a weirdo, I live here. I just left my thing inside, so I have to, you know what I'm saying? They don't know the code. Oh, they do know the code. We're in there, bitch. I don't mean to call y'all bitch. I was just being silly. Huh. Okay, so what can I say? That's supposed to keep everybody safe because it's a rough neighborhood. Actually, fuck it is a little bit. Well, it really is. So actually, what's happening is the gate's a fucking joke because I just got past it. But what do you expect? The fucking military to stand up there? I mean, what are they? What's coming next? Fucking Marines standing at our gate? I don't think I parked correctly. Because I didn't park correctly. And I don't want it. That's another thing they do over here is they tow our cars a lot. They like to tow cars. They do like to tow cars. But anyway. Done with that. Put in the gate. I got in the gate. You know what you can and you can't? You guys can't hear me because I got you down on my t-shirt. Oh, that motherfucker's good for somebody. Oh, also car alarms go off a lot too. That's all I'm just saying.